Let me ask you a question. Do you find yourself wasting your time doing meaningless activities that don't produce results? Yes, then keep watching this video. Hey, this is RajivKumarLuv, the online life skills coach, welcoming you to this video. Through my videos, I want to inspire you to improve your life and achieve your goals. In this video, I want to share the best time management question that you can ask yourself every day. And I picked up this question from my favorite guru, Tracy. And the question is this the best use of my time right now? Is this the best use of my time right now? Before doing any activity, take your name and then ask this question. For example, Rajiv, is this the best use of your time right now? And whenever you ask this question, you will only get two answers. Yes or no. If it is a yes, then go ahead and do it. And if it is a no, then don't do it. And you are the best judge. For example, when you feel like watching TV, ask yourself, is this the best use of my time right now? Yes or no. If you feel like going to sleep, ask yourself the question, is this the best use of my time right now? When you feel like playing video games on your mobile phone, ask yourself, is this the best use of my time right now? And when you feel like going to social media, whether it is Facebook or Instagram or WhatsApp, ask yourself the question, is this the best use of my time right now? So I hope you like the idea. Asking this question every day will help you to stop doing meaningless activities and be focused on meaningful activities, productive activities, and result-oriented activities. I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I will be back with yet another video because I love making videos for you. So thanks for watching this video. See you again in my next video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling, and take care. Bye.